The condition in Iraq continues to remain very grim as ISIS terror looms over the country. Now the Indian nurses who were holed up in Tikrit have been moved reportedly by the ISIS terrorists, but the Ministry of External Affairs refuses to confirm these developments so far. Times Now gets you all the updates straight from the war zone.
Times now in the heart of the conflict zone as the ISIS threat continues to loom over Iraq.
Well, at this point in time, we are traveling through the Baghdad city. There is much uncertainty in the people who Times Now has spoken with. Although there is an eerie calm all across the city, everything seems normal.
In Iraq, Times Now tracking the stranded nurses who have now been forcibly moved by the ISIS terrorists.
In fact, there have been at least 2 million people who have met exodus due to these violent sectarian clashes all across Iraq.
Back in India, MEA assuring the safe return of the Indian nurses.
If your question is that have they moved of their free will, my answer to you is that in zones of conflict, there is no free will. That said, we need to see every difficulty as an opportunity rather than every opportunity as a difficulty.
Kerala Chief Minister confirming that some of the nurses have been shifted but assured the families of their safety.
We are trying our best to bring back nurses safely. So that is our main concern and we are at it.
And I do hope that given that the country in such moments takes one view and stands by the government of the day, I think it's best just to hope that everything will work out in due course.
But for these families, it has been an arduous and unending wait.
ஈராக் தீவிரவாதிகள் சன்னி தீவிரவாதிகள் ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் மேல மொட்டை மாடி மேல ஏறி நின்னுகிட்டு இங்க இருந்து மேல போன ஹெலிகாப்டர் அடிச்சிருக்காங்க ஈராக் ராணுவத்தோட ஹெலிகாப்டர் அடிச்சிருக்காங்க அடிச்சதுல எந்த நேரம் அவன் குண்டு போட்டா எங்களுடைய நிலைமை என்ன ஆகும்.
But even as there is bloodshed on the streets of Iraq at this moment, primarily in the northern and the western areas, the big question at this moment is how long will it take for the Iraqi government to make things under their control from the hands of the ISIS. In Baghdad with video journalist Abhay Sharma, this is Aditya Rajkol, Times Now.